some crochet creation. Crochet, crochet, we're hooked on crochet.
Hi guys, it's T. I have got a fun and easy crochet tutorial for you today. It's called the Iris Stitch. This is an amazingly beautiful stitch that works up so quickly. It is a 1-row repeat and it has a lovely drip. Some projects of choice would be a shawl, a summer top, a lap blanket, a scarf, or even a washcloth. This is absolutely a TV watching stitch as well. For me, this stitch envelops one in complete comfort and rhythmic waves of repetition as it takes you away into a mindless crochet paradise. Dive in and give it a try. As you can see here, I've got 2 swatches that I've worked up in different colors. This swatch here, I've used loops and threads in various colors. The colors I used here are Sunny Day, Citron, Clear Blue, and Lavender. And what I wanted to display here was how it would look in different spring colors. And this one, I wanted to show what it looked like in a more of a muted colorway. This yarn is Hobby Lobby's I Love This Yarn. It is in the colorway Spa. And this one is Peacock Tails. And as you see between the two, they are both very lovely. In today's tutorial, we're going to be using Yarn B's Fundamental Cotton in the colorway Canary with a 4.5mm hook. Now for this pattern, you can use any weight yarn of your choosing along with its required hook size. The iris stitch is worked in multiples of 4 plus 3. So basically, when you make your chain, you're going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, until you get to your desired length, and then you're going to chain 3. For this sample today, I'm going to chain 23. Next, we're going to place 2 double crochets, chain 1, and 2 double crochets in the 5th chain from the hook. So I like to count the back bumps, not counting the one on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, chain 1, and another 1 double crochet, and 2 double crochets. That is your iris stitch. Now you're going to skip 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. And in that 4th one, you're going to do the same thing again. 2 double crochets, chain 1, and 2 double crochets. And there's your second iris stitch. Now you're going to continue this along till you get to the last 2 chains. Now here we are with our last 2 chains. In that last chain, you're going to place 1 double crochet. and that is your first row. For your next row, you're going to chain 3. Turn your work, and from here on out, you're going to place the 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets in each of the chain spaces from the previous row. So the chain spaces are here. They're very easy to see. Two double crochets, chain 1, and 2 more double crochets. And immediately you go into your next chain space. Yarn over, start your first double crochet, 1 and 2, chain 1, and 2 double crochets. See how they stack on top of one another? And then find that next chain space. Two double crochets, chain 1, and 2 double crochets. Okay, so I've went all the way along, and I'm coming here to the end, which you'll see you have 3 chains. For your last double crochet, you're going to place it in the top of that turning chain. Turn over, find the top of that turning chain right here, and place your last double crochet. And there's your second row. Now we'll go ahead and do one more row together just to finalize it and make sure that everything is concrete. So here, you chain 3 and turn your work. 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. And that's what you're going to hear in your head, and you're going to hear me say 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. Like I said, a very repetitive and easy pattern. Definitely a relaxing stitch. Here we are at the end once again, and you're going to yarn over and place your last double crochet in the top. There we go. All right, I'm going to continue maybe about 2 more rows, and we're going to finish it up. Thanks for stopping by today. I hope you enjoyed the stitch, and if you would like to see more tutorials like this, please like and subscribe. And have a good day, everyone. This is Bountiful Crochet Creations, signing off.